Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Starlink, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin setting up your Starlink system, first, you need to unbox the hardware. Inside the box, you will find the satellite dish, the mounting tripod, the power supply, and the necessary cables. Next, select an outdoor location for your Starlink dish. Ensure the dish has a clear view of the sky, free from trees, buildings, or other obstructions. Now, assemble the satellite dish according to the provided instructions. Attach the dish to the mounting tripod securely. If you plan to mount the dish on a roof, use the appropriate mounting hardware for stability. Once the dish is set up, connect the cable from the dish to the Wi-Fi router. Make sure the connections are tight to avoid any signal loss. Next, plug the power supply into an electrical outlet. Then, connect the power supply to the dish using the provided cable. At this point, you will need to power up the Wi-Fi router. Wait for a couple of minutes while the router initializes. During this time, the satellite dish will also begin searching for the satellite. You may notice the dish moving as it aligns itself correctly. Once the dish has found the signal, the LED indicator on the dish will turn solid white. Now, grab your smartphone or computer to connect to the Starlink Wi-Fi network. Look for the network name that starts with Starlink in your Wi-Fi settings. Enter the default password printed on the router or provided in the document. Once connected, you can check the service status through the Starlink app, which you should download and install. Create an account or log in if you already have one. The app will guide you through the remaining setup and verify your connection. Follow the prompts to perform any necessary firmware updates. Your Starlink setup is now complete, and you should have access to high-speed internet. If you encounter any issues, refer to the troubleshooting section within the app. Enjoy your new internet connection and explore what Starlink has to offer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.